In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Google feedback form. How to create a feedback form from Google Forms. You know, you may be needing a feedback from your customers or a feedback from students to write you testimonials and to do all of that. The right way to do is to use Google Form, which is completely for free. So how do you do it? You come to Google, and when you come to Google, you're going to see this Ruby icon here, Google Apps. Now, if you are using a phone, please put your phone on desktop side so that you can be able to see this. You can see, put your phone on desktop side and you can be able to see this, or you go to Google and type Google Forms. All right, but for now I'll come here and then I'll see Google Forms here. Please type Google Form on Google if you can't find it, and then we are going to come here. We are going to see a lot of templates that says, you know, there are a lot of templates out here. This one I just created it new. All right, so now we just want to build a new one, so we click on new, and then let's say we need feedbacks from our customers. All right, let's say we are selling, a product like a book. All right, so book feedback. All right, and then sorry, I have to delete this. And then of course this is where to do it. All right, so here we are saying, please, your opinion will mean a lot to you. Your opinion will mean a lot to us. Let it be unbiased. All right, so you can just put some damning statement here. It might not necessarily be this, and then of course you are going to put that is it. So you are not going to come here ask questions. So you are not going to ask question. How is the design of the book? How is the design of the book, for example? And then of course you put your question mark, and then you just give them a short answer, you know, for them to write some small stuff. All right, so you can just put on small stuff, and then of course put this as required, and then you're going to now click on add another question, and you're going to add it, how was the book, how was the book, or how is the impact of the book on you? How was the impact, or what is the impact, please? What is the impact of the book on you? For example, you can just put some damning questions here, and then of course you can say let's choose paragraph, and then you can give them a whole lot of things to write. Now you can still add another one again, and you say read this book, for us. So just come here and then click on multiple choices. Multiple choices I think is the best, so we can now come here and choose very good. Then we can click on another one. You can click on option 2, which is excellent. You just have to put it the right way if I'm not doing it the right way. And then the next one is going to be good, and then the next one is going to be poor. All right, so you just have to do it the right way, and then this is it. So we have to click on OK, and then of course we are going to delete this. So we are going to click on this, and then sorry, we're going to delete this whole aspect, this one here. So this is how the books looks. But there's one thing I want you to do, which is very important. You can bring in the picture of that book. All right, so let's go to our please and say, let's say this is the picture of the book. For example, let's say this is the picture of the book. We can now bring in this picture here, and then the picture of the book is going to be there, showing them that this is the book they're supposed to. So the book title is, let's say, Express Tech Academy. Express Tech Academy. Academy graphics. That's for the book, or you can put book cover, whichever one. You can see that this is how it looks. So you can add some of the questions you want and all of that. When you are done, you can now click on publish, and then when you click on publish, the link is going to be live on net. Then you can now click here and copy the link, but the link is going to be long, so you have to shorten it. Click on shorten it, and then you click on copy. Now let's go to another browser and then test that particular link. So you can now place the link here and click on OK. All right, so you can see that this is how it looks. Very sweet. So if I come here and put it was nice, and then I come and what is the impact of positive, for example, I can just put some damning statement here, and then the book was excellent. Click on submit. When you click on submit, they show your response has been submitted. Now let's go back to the main form, and then you can see that we already have one responses here. So when you click on one response, you can see there's already having one response. So as people continue to fill, you continue to get the questions, you continue to get the individuals and all of that and all of that. So this is how to create a Google form from a Google form, sorry, a feedback on Google form. Please remember to name it here, the name of the form. Of course, remember to shorten it, remember to add all of that. You can preview, undo and all of that. So please, if you like this video, kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will be glad to make a new one for you in the future.